Good morning, everyone. This is Dr. Susan Marra with Dr. Marra's Medical Minutes. And today we're going to talk about GLP-1 medications. So that's things like Ozempic and Mounjaro and Tirezepetide. And these are largely extremely popular right now because they are used for weight loss. So GLP-1 stands for glucagon-like peptide. And this is a naturally occurring peptide that's made in the enteroendocrine cells of the GI system. And basically what it does, it helps to modulate insulin. And in so doing, it helps regulate. Let me read it correctly. The most noteworthy effect of GLP-1 is its ability to promote insulin secretion in a glucose-dependent manner. As GLP-1 binds with the receptors that are expressed on the pancreatic B cells, it increases the production of cyclic AMP and subsequently activates secondary pathways. So essentially what it does is it helps modulate glucose. And this is what's wrong in a lot of patients that are trying to lose weight and people that have diabetes. So Mounjaro and Ozempic and Tirezepetide are being used for diabetes and for weight loss. Interestingly enough, and one of the reasons why I'm talking about it here is because the GLP-1 agonists are, in my patient population, I'm seeing them decrease inflammation substantially. And I was wondering, how is this happening? So I did some Googling and I found that GLP-1 drugs, so Mounjaro, Ozempic, Tirezepetide, basically what they do is they decrease reactive oxygen species, thus mitigating oxidative stress and inflammation. And these agents protect the cells from the harmful effects of inflammation, and they reduce oxidative stress. So then you're going to ask me, what's oxidative stress? Oxidative stress is a natural chemical reaction that happens in a state of chronic illness or chronic inflammation, chronic illness, mycotoxins. And these reactive oxygen species are just toxic. And what they do is they set up a inflammatory response cycle, like in CIRS, chronic inflammatory response syndrome. And, the inflammation by way of pro-inflammatory cytokines just keeps going and going and going. And it causes tissue destruction, and it really is not a good thing for the body. So, we're looking into perhaps doing some GLP-1 through peptides and seeing if that helps with some people's inflammation that are in my practice with mold illness or tick-borne illness and even COVID, long COVID. So I'm hoping that this will be very beneficial, and it'll be interesting to see how it works with methylene blue and with photobiomodulation, so red light. I suspect that triad is a very good triad to help get inflammation under control. So I hope this information has been helpful and useful to you, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care.